Hello parents of AGrader. In the next few minutes, I will be introducing you our AGrader online e-learning platform. First and foremost, you would have received an email from your respective AGrader branch containing your user and password. Log into the portal at online.agrader.sg with your user and password. Click Login. You will be able to view the classes you are enrolled in. Click into the class. To view the worksheet, you can scroll all the way down to download the files. You can print or either download them. As you can see, we have adapted our curriculum into bite-sized learning videos with teaching videos for every concept, exercise, and questions. The online lessons are designed to be similar in delivery style as the actual classroom lessons. Instructions have been labelled clearly as to how your child can go about the e-learning lesson by watching the video first or trying the questions first before watching the video. All of these will be boosted by our teacher's presence. If you are worried about the pace of the class, your child can rewind, pause, or even rewatch the entire video. Students can revisit and watch the explanation unlimited number of times they require. Once your child is done, they can press complete and continue. Lastly, you can easily monitor your child's progress in the home page through the progress bar over here. We hope to make your child's e-learning process as smooth as possible.